To log in to your Telegram on a laptop or PC using QR code scanning, follow these steps. First of all, make sure you have the Telegram app installed on your phone and you are logged into your account. Now, on your laptop or PC, open your preferred web browser and in search address bar, search for the Telegram. Then, after you search for the Telegram, go to the Telegram web or open the Telegram desktop app if you have it installed. Since I don't have desktop app installed, I am simply tapping on the Telegram web. Now on the Telegram web page, you should see an option to log in with QR code. Now on the phone, open the Telegram app and go to the settings in the Telegram app. Now, once you are inside the settings menu in the phone, all you have to do is tap on the devices and then select scan QR code and scan the QR code shown on the laptop PC screen using your iPhone's camera. And after scanning QR code, you can see you are logged into your Telegram account on the laptop or PC. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.